Alright, so one of the first steps that you're going to need to take when it comes to starting your own faceless YouTube channel is that you're going to need to select a niche. And when it comes to selecting a niche, there's a certain framework that I like to follow, which is to make sure that I'm aware of the 3 Ps. Now, the first P is to make sure that I've got passion when it comes to whatever type of videos that I'm going to make. The second P is to make sure that it's a popular niche, which means that people are searching for the videos and they're searching for them all year round. It's not necessarily a one-off trending topic. And the third P is to make sure that there's profit available. You need to make sure that whatever type of videos you're going to make, you're going to be able to monetize them in multiple different ways, which I'm going to be talking about a little bit later on in this video. But those are the 3 Ps that you need to think about before you start your YouTube channel so that you're going to be able to give yourself the best chances of succeeding from day one. Now, when it comes to the actual practical step that you need to take when it comes to selecting the best category or selecting the best topic of videos that you're going to make, I would advise that you sign up to vidIQ. And this is for so many different reasons, and I'm going to break it down in a moment. But if you click the link in my description down below, you're going to be able to sign up for a 30-day trial. And in my opinion, I would say that vidIQ is probably one of the best YouTube tools out there when it comes to increasing your chances of being able to get more clicks on your videos, more subscribers, and more money. And to show you exactly what I'm talking about, I've just logged into my account over here, and I'm going to be able to use vidIQ's AI coach when it comes to coming up with an idea of what my channel is going to be about. So as you can see, I've already opened it up, and what I'm going to do is come down to this chat section over here and ask it a specific question, which is, can you give me 10 channel niches that are highly profitable and consistently popular all year round? And then click on send. And just like that, it's now come back with all of these different ideas that I can use. And this tool is obviously useful, especially if you're confused on exactly which direction to take your channel. If you've got no idea, then you can definitely use this, because now I've got ideas like health and fitness tips, cooking, travel vlogging, DIY, personal finance and investing, all of these different ideas that I probably wasn't thinking about before using vidIQ's AI coach. It's now giving me some sort of direction. And the main benefit to using something like vidIQ when it comes to doing this type of research is because they mainly focus on helping various different YouTubers all around the world. So they've obviously got a lot of data when it comes to giving you the best advice. So what you want to do from this point is obviously scroll through the list that it's given you and pick a niche that you know that you've got passion about. So for me personally, the one that I would probably move forward with is personal finance and investing. Even though yes, it's saying that beauty and makeup tutorials is a profitable niche to focus on, I wouldn't necessarily do that because I don't care about that niche at all. The same thing goes with cooking and recipe videos. I don't watch them, I don't care about them, so I wouldn't necessarily focus on building this type of channel. I would rather build a channel that I have some sort of knowledge on, because it's going to help me when it comes to creating the videos down the line, which I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in the quickest and most easiest way possible. But once you've gotten to the stage where you have decided on whatever your channel is going to be about, the next step after this is to start the process of building your channel. Now, there's certain things that's going to go into this process. For example, you're going to need a Gmail email address. Then all you're simply going to do is head over to youtube.com and sign up for your account. And you're also going to have to go through the process of selecting a name for your channel, as well as create a profile image, as well as a banner. And all of these different images and graphics can be created on Canva within a few minutes. And when it comes to coming up with a name for your channel, you're going to be able to use the AI coach, because what I'm going to do is just come down here and ask it to give me 10 name ideas for a channel about personal finance and investing, and then click on send message again. And straight away it's now come back with all of these different ideas that of course I'm going to have to go away and make sure that no one else is using them. But using something like this just kind of speeds up the process when it comes to this stage, especially if you're stuck when it comes to what name you should move forward with. But this now brings me on to one of the most important steps when it comes to starting this side hustle, which is creating the content. Now, when it comes to producing the content, one of the first initial steps that you're going to need to go through every single time is coming up with the title for the video. Now, when it comes to coming up with the best title that's going to perform in the best way, again, vidIQ is going to be able to help you with that, because what I'm going to do is just come down here and ask it to give me 10 video ideas for a channel that is about investing, and then click on send message. And instantly I've now got the first 10 videos that I'm going to use when it comes to producing the content. Now, before I even move forward with any one of these different video ideas, what I'm going to do is copy any one of these different titles. So I may copy this one over here and then come over to the keyword section and just paste it in here just like this and click on enter. And from this point, vidIQ is going to be able to show me whether or not this video title is going to do well if I was to make a video about it. And we can see over here that the search volume is medium and the competition is high. So personally, I wouldn't want to make a video using this title. I may want to switch it up slightly, and instead I may want to use a title like this, which is how to start investing with just $100, because as you can see, the search volume is medium and the competition is low. So my chances of being able to be successful with a video that has this title is slightly higher. And once you get to the stage where you do have the title for the video that you're going to make, the next stage is that you're going to need to actually produce the video. Now, there's so many different ways that you're going to be able to make faceless YouTube videos. You're going to be able to go over to freelance websites like Upwork.com, Fiverr, freelancer.com. You're going to be able to find voiceover actors, just general people that's going to be able to put the video together for you, e.g. video editors, so on and so forth. And that's definitely a way to go, especially if you're looking to get extremely custom produced content. But if you wanted to speed up the process and use an AI generation tool when it comes to making videos within a few minutes, you can sign up to this tool over here called InVideo AI. Now, I've got a link in my description that's going to allow you to sign up for completely free so that you can test it out and see if it's something that you want to continuously keep using over the long term. But just to show you exactly how it works, once you've created your account by using that link in my description, this is the dashboard that you're going to see. So it's a very simple tool. All you're going to need to do is just enter a prompt into this section up to 3,600 words. Now, it doesn't need to be that many words. It could just be a few sentences, but the more details that you give it when it comes to the type of video that you're looking to make, the better results that you're going to be able to get. So you can either come up with the prompt yourself if you want to, but if you're confused on what type of details to give it, you're going to be able to go back over to InVideo's AI coach and ask it to give you a prompt that you're going to be able to copy and paste. And the way that this works is that you could just type in something like, I am using an AI video maker. Can you write a prompt for it to make a 9-minute YouTube video about the video? And then I'm just going to come over here, copy the title that we got from this section, just paste it in there just like that, and then click on send. And instantly it came back with this prompt that I'm going to be able to simply copy just like that, head back over to InVideo AI, paste it in there just like that, and then click on generate a video. And straight away within a couple minutes, it came back with this fully edited video that I'm going to be able to make any changes that I need to. If I want to update any of the stock images, the voice, the text, whatever the AI generated voice said, I'm going to be able to easily edit it by clicking on this option and going through the entire script. But before I do any of that, let me just play a short clip of the video just so that you know exactly what it looks and sounds like, so that you have an understanding and an expectation of what type of videos you guys can go away and make yourself. So let me just click on play.
You could start investing with just $100. Yes, you heard that right. A mere $100 can be the seed that grows into a mighty oak of wealth. You might be wondering, how is that possible? Well, it's all about starting early and letting your money grow over time. You see, when you start investing, even with a small amount, you're putting the magic of...
So that's the video, guys. I'm sure that you're blown away in terms of what it looks like, what it sounds like, and how quick it was able to do this just by me simply copying this prompt from vidIQ. And again, if I did want to update any of these different images, if I wanted to update anything specific that the voiceover said, I'm going to be able to click on edit over here, and it's going to be able to give me a breakdown of each different scene in the video, and it's also going to be able to show me exactly what was said in each different scene. And I'm sure from this point, you're probably thinking to yourself, Sam, what you've shown me so far is amazing. I know exactly what I need to do when it comes to starting my channel, coming up with an idea, coming up with video ideas, even making the videos, but how exactly am I going to make money? Now, when it comes to making money from a YouTube channel, generally speaking, the number one way that you're going to be able to generate revenue is from Google AdSense. But when it comes to being monetized, there's a certain criteria that you need to meet. You're going to have to get around 500 subscribers and around 3,000 watch hours. And there's some other things that you're going to need to meet as well. For example, a certain amount of uploads within a certain amount of time. And this is definitely something that you should pursue when it comes to having a source of revenue. But I would say that if you want to make money from the early days, from the first week, second week, your first few weeks of building up this new YouTube channel, the path that you should consider going down is affiliate marketing. Now, for those of you that don't know exactly what affiliate marketing is, it's simply where you're going to sign up to an affiliate program, and once you've been given your unique URL link, you're going to give that link to someone by putting it in your YouTube description. When someone clicks on that link, you're going to be able to earn something called an affiliate commission. So there's no criteria for this. You don't need to have a certain amount of subscribers for you to start earning money with affiliate marketing. It's something that you should try and do as early as possible, because this is going to enable you to make profits ASAP. Now, if you wanted to get a little bit more information on exactly what you need to do when it comes to starting your YouTube channel step by step without showing your face, without using your own voice, and being able to earn affiliate commissions in your sleep, then I've got a completely free webinar that you can sign up to. It's going to be the first link in the description down below. In that webinar, I'm going to explain exactly how I was able to take my affiliate marketing business from $0 to over $100,000 in pure profit. So if you did want to get a little bit more information on exactly how this side hustle works and what you need to know as a complete beginner, click the first link in the description down below to watch that completely free webinar. And if you wanted to watch a recent YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some other important things that I wish I knew before I started making money online, just some tips and tricks that would have put me on the right direction when I had around $500 in my bank account and I was completely broke, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one, because it's already helped out thousands of people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.